Mm. If you were a washing machine, a washing machine. Mm-hmm. If you were a washing machine, a washing machine. I would have put all my dirty thoughts inside you. You would have spin on me again, again. You would have squeezed me, teased me, and please me. Aman aman, aman aman, naman aman, ya. Hi. You know, I'm not a homosexual man, neither am I heterosexual, nor I am a bisexual. Actually, I am a trisexual because I try and try again and again and again and again. I try again and again. I lied to you when I said to you I am a bisexual. Only said that to women, single women, not married women. I say to them I am a bisexual in order to buy them a drink and then get sexual. Warning, 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 sorry, warning. If you are not 18 years old, please don't watch my romantic songs. Nowruz's romantic songs. What's the day today? Well, okay, yeah, it's 22nd of March 2015, Nowruz, London. If you are a washing machine. And this is for you. You do know yourself.